Nice! What is that?
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 6:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Wednesday, July 7th, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Kananaskis Improvement District near